cross tension so that we're getting some rotational work into the spine, as well as a little more lateral work going into the hip as we're going through that single leg movement. So, foot goes on the mini band, the super band, looping up over the opposite shoulder, and then place the hand on the back of your head. That'll just help keep the band where it's supposed to be, and you can keep a nice retracted position through the shoulder blades. From there, same rules to a hip hinge. A little bend in the knee about 15 degrees, and make sure your first goal is hip behind ankle before you continue your hinge. Hip behind ankle, and then hinge, back up. So, make sure you don't round the back, execute the movement through your hips by first moving your hips behind your ankle, and as you come up, nice squeeze